Good PM, ngayon po ay Monday, October 9, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM legit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Monday, October 9, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong October 9, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, October 9, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 82 million pesos for October 9, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, October 9, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.